Ladies and gentlemen, so I'm sure you've seen these viral pictures of these college students from year one to year five. Year one, they look fresh, young, healthy, they have good skin, they're not overweight. And then year two, they're fat, they have horrible skin, they're not grooming themselves. Have you guys seen these ID pictures recently? I'll just put a picture of up them right here, just so you can kind of see them. So this has recently been going viral, and it's pretty whatever. I guess it's funny, it's interesting, people are laughing at it, but this isn't just a meme. This is literally reality. College is literally draining the life out of Gen Z, and I'm gonna convince you on why you should start a business rather than go to college, or while you're in college to start a online business. That way, when you do finish, you're not on the rat race. So we gotta stop pretending that college guarantees anything anymore in the modern world. So you're in class all day, then you're doing homework and studying all night just in hopes of a job that's not guaranteed. You can get fired for any reason, and where you don't get complete freedom in any ways. And then with house prices going so high these days, especially if you live in a place like Vancouver, first, when you're in college, you're broke. And then once you finally get a job in a house, now you're stuck. You get no location freedom, you get no time freedom, and you have to live under someone else's rules still. And there's a lot more hidden costs to college than just paying for classes. You pay with it with your time, you pay with it for your health. You have a shitty diet, you have a shitty sleep schedule, and you're surrounded by people that are spending more time partying than they are planning their future. See, you're actually expected to grow if you go to college. Now, this is completely different if you're in a college where you don't have to explain about. And you know what I mean by that, where you don't have to explain about it, where you can just say the name, Harvard, right, whatever, Columbia. So you don't have to explain about that. But if you go to like some random, if I just say like UFE or something, yeah, I gotta explain what that is because people don't know it. But if it's a college you don't have to explain about, that might actually almost be worth sacrificing your health and whatnot for the people that you're gonna meet. Because you are going to be in there with people like Mark Zuckerberg was at Harvard, so you're going to be in there with like presidents' sons and things like that. So I can't really say, hey, don't go to like Ivy League college, because I've never been there. So you actually have to make that decision for yourself. But honestly, if you're watching this channel, you probably didn't get into Harvard anyways, so don't worry. You're expected to go to whatever, just a run of the mill college, and you're expected to grow there, but the people there are just shitty people. And these people don't want more out of life. That's also why people fall into depression when they're at college, because it's a system that pushes partying, comfortability, drugs, alcohol, more than it pushes creativity, taking risks, and trying new things, starting businesses, and just putting yourself out there in the world. And the thing with online businesses is, yeah, you are going to be unbalanced probably even when you first start out for a while, but you kind of get to choose where you're going to be unbalanced. Like you can just be completely working all day, like spend every hour working, but still choose to get like 9 hours of sleep. You're building skills that actually matter as well: sales, marketing, editing, UGC, whatever it is. And if you go to school for marketing and things like that, they're gonna end up telling you these skills anyways. And everyone's gonna talk about their end goal, like it's gonna be okay, get a job at a marketing agency, start a marketing agency. But you can actually just go out there and already do that. And then once you have a skill that you're an expert at, you're free. You're free to serve whatever clients you want. You're free to travel when you want. You're free to choose where you work from. You're free to choose what type of clients you want to work with. You're actually free to build a life and a career and not just do things that are best for your resume. So I've seen both sides of being a successful agency owner or working at a successful agency. One kind of leads to burnout and building someone else's dreams, while the other actually leads to you being fulfilled and building out your own dreams and being the man of your own life. College is, at the end of the day, if you look at the history of how it was created, it is there to train you to be an employee. And then, of course, starting your own business, that's there to profit you as the owner. And then online income, it actually trains you to become a owner, a creator, to be, a coach. You're gonna have to change your whole life if you want to start a business, because you can't just be, whatever, just like a random call. You're gonna have to be pretty exceptional. You're gonna have to change all your habits. So starting a online business, you're gonna have to change everything about your life in a way where, just simply doing a homework assignment, you're not gonna have to. If you do feel trapped by either going to college or you're already at college and what's gonna come after, you're not alone. I was like that when I was in high school, and then even when I was at college as well. I did a digital marketing boot camp, so I had the exact same feeling as well. But my suggestion would be to, start building a skill, start offering that skill for free to people, and then start building out your case studies. And you don't need anyone's permission. The faster you get results, the faster other people are going to believe in you. So just get out there. You need discipline. Get out there, start, just pick one skill, offer that skill for free, and start building your case studies. And if you just start doing that now, trust me, because if you don't, you're going to regret it later on when you have to start later.